Hello, my name's James Reed. I'm the chairman and CEO of Reed, the recruitment company. We help people find new jobs, and we help people find new people for their companies. We help people progress in their careers. And our mantra at Reed is Love Mondays. We want you to enjoy your job. We want you to find a job that you love and to love Mondays. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you think about your career and how you'd like to progress to a point where you're loving Mondays.
I'm Steph Rix. I'm an executive coach, and over the years I have helped many people get a new role, return to work after a career break, enjoy their current role to get a promotion, and have a complete career change. And we've partnered together to bring together the recruitment expertise with tried and tested career coaching tools and techniques to help give you a career boost.
It's better than that though, Steph, because a little while ago I wrote a book called Life's Work, which is here somewhere. Yeah, I have it.
You got
here.
it there.
I have it here. This is Life's Work. And Steph has a business called
Life's Work.
Yeah, which is all about the same ideas and approaches. And so we've been collaborating in a way for a little while. You've come into our business and you've helped coach our leadership team. And you use some of the ideas in this book in your coaching of other people. So this is a collaboration that has a little history.
Yeah, I thought it was a really nice partnership to bring the book to life with career coaching techniques and tools, and to use all the concepts that James has written in the book to help you to have this career boost and essentially find a successful, long and fulfilling career. So what was your motivation behind writing the book, James?
Well, after, dare I say, a quarter of a century, sort of working in recruitment, working with people, interviewing people, helping people with CVs, all the detail of that, I wrote 3 books, and this one is the third. The first book was about how to do interviews. The second book was about how to do CVs. And this book, Life's Work, was really a sort of overarching look at how to have a successful and I hope fulfilling career. And it contains things, really ideas that I've come across and learned in my career that you don't get from school, you don't get from your teachers, you won't necessarily get from your parents or friends. But they're really valuable ideas that are things that each and every one of us can apply. So you don't have to have a lot of money, you don't have to have a sort of gold-plated education, you don't have to have been to the best schools or universities to pick up these ideas and run with them and make them work for you. And that's what I love about them. And they're sort of practical, simple, usable ideas that will give you an edge, and that's what I'm here to do.
Yeah, absolutely. That's essentially my motivation as well, knowing that career coaching might not be accessible or affordable for everybody. And using the techniques that we've got in the book and adding a little bit of coaching flair to them as well, this will really support you to have a successful career, whatever that may be.
These ideas work. I know they work because I've seen them work myself, and I've used many of them, all of them, in fact, myself, and they've worked for me. So the ideas work, but what they need is a bit of work from you, which is why this is called Life's Work. And you need to take each idea that we pose to you and put a bit of work into it. So you have to do some homework as well, and that's built into this program where you give yourself some time to think about the questions you're being asked, because the time you put into that will be very valuable because it will make a better outcome for you.
Yeah, absolutely. This is all about knowing what you want, and then we'll be supporting you on how to get that. But before you do that, it's really important to have a goal for this course. So we would like you to think about, what is your goal for this course? And it needs to be a goal that's really, really important to you. It has to give you, I think really great goals give you a little bit of a knot in your tummy. They sometimes make you feel excited, give you that little bit of a knot. And that's really important for this, to be ambitious and set yourself a goal for this course.
Yeah, my goal when I do a course is usually just get to the end. So I hope your goal will be a bit higher than that. And I think I hope you'll get to the end because you'll enjoy it and find it stimulating. But I would agree with Steph that it's worth, as you embark on this course, to think about, what would I really like my future to look like? who would I like to be 5, 10, 15 years from now? And how can I use what I'm going to learn on this course to help me get there?
Yeah, absolutely. And as James said earlier, this is not just what we think. We know that these tried and tested ideas within the book and the coaching exercises are exercises that we've used with many clients, many candidates that have come through your doors at Reed, and we know that this works. So use this to your advantage. We want you to take action following the course. It's not just about doing this course. It's about making a change after the course. So be ambitious, enjoy the course, and most importantly, take action so you can boost your career.